Welcome back, guildmates, and here we are again with another walkthrough, and this time this is a walkthrough for your workspace. So let's get right into it. So on the first or the top section of your workspace, this is your Pomodoro widget. So you can change the colors of this, the background and the font color. You can choose short break and long break. You won't be able, I guess you won't be able to edit the time here, but it will help you hopefully to focus on your current tasks. Okay, and then here is your socials. This is also synced to your mobile dedicated page. You can edit the links here. Okay, and again, since this is synced, anytime you edit this, it will appear or will be updated on your mobile page as well. And then these are actually my links. You can, or you'll be able to change this to any links that you want. So you have, if you have a portfolio website, if you have your own website, basically you can put it here. You can change this section basically to any type of notes or links that is related to your work or your business or your career. Okay, so and as always, you have a quick action section in here. So each time you wanted to add a work quest, a project, or a bookmark, you can use this buttons. Okay, and let's get right into your work quest. So if you've already watched your home dashboard, it's the same quest page. So just go ahead and visit the home dashboard whenever you wanted to learn about creating your quest. And if you wanted to learn how it's related to most of your dashboards and how, you know, it ties it up all together so that it can work on your avatar, on your quest, and it will basically be related to most of your, if not all of your pages. Okay, so these buttons, these properties that you can see on your work quest, you can change the, or you can filter the views. You can change the views here. So it can be according to your taste or preference. So these are the categories. So each business or career or even your social media task or quest will appear right here under your work quest. Okay, and as you can see, you have unlike a normal quest in your home dashboard, here in your workspace, you have two buttons that you can use. You can either postpone this or you can complete this particular task. And right here, this is connected to your journal entry, and this is connected to your project as well. And this is basically the time that you generated your work quest, or you can change this to you can change the schedule according to the deadline that you need to meet it. Okay, so since this is a formula, you can change the date or the time right here. Okay, so you can change the time or the schedule of your quest right here. Okay, so I won't be going into much details about the quest since it's already discussed in your home dashboard. And so this time, I will be going into each of the buttons right here. So each of these buttons will represent a database related to the to each of these topics, basically. So for example, we're going to open your online store if you have an online store. Okay, if you're selling anything basically on your online store, if you have one, you can add the products here. Okay, you can just add the products anywhere on this views. Okay, and let's go ahead and open one of the product page. So this will be the name, the price that you are selling this product from, and this is a formula. Okay, so you don't have to do anything here. This is basically just a notification or indicator area. And again, this is another notification area of how much profit you've already sold this one to. Again, no need to do anything here. This is just another indication. You can add the discounts that you are using right here. So discounts code used. So if you use again this link a page or magnifier icon, you can add the discount you're currently using for this particular product. Okay, and then this is most of these are self-explanatory already. And here are basically the platforms that you're promoting this products from. So just to keep up with your, your social media marketing campaign, basically. And then you can input, you can use this or not, it's up to you. And then this discount link, basically the most recent, I guess, or the discount link applicable towards this particular product. And then if you have a pro or free version of your product, I guess the free version will be like a teaser or a taster of your product as well. And then number of sales, both pro and free. You don't have to use this, it's up to you. And then XP earn per sale, award coins per sale. This is the gamification of your online or digital stores. So basically you wanted to earn like, for example, you wanted to earn like 10 XP per sale. You can input that here. And then I guess 10 coins per sale. You can edit this field. And again, anything under this section, you don't have to do anything with his. And for this one, anytime you wanted to add important notes, if you are wanting to keep track of how you are promoting this on your social media, so that you won't have to think of new messages each time, you can just rotate them on your social media marketing campaign, even your email marketing campaign. So, and then if you wanted to have a to-do list with regards to your to managing your store and your products and any relevant links here. Okay, so yeah, that's how it is with each of your products. And let's move ahead to your client database. Okay, so as you can see, this is the name. And you can add tasks related to this client right here in this property. And then if you want to track the times or the hours that you've spent on this particular client, you can use this buttons, start and end session. Anything goes here in your notes. And most of these are already explanatory. So let's go ahead and open the client page. So I'll just explain the task for client. So again, you can add the task or quests related to this client right here in this particular property. Okay. And just an additional, I guess, tip is if you wanted to see more properties per client, and you want to see them in a glance. For example, you wanted to see if this particular quest or the quests that you see are already done. You can check this one. As you can see, there are already check boxes right here, and then each time it's checked, it means that this particular quest is already done. Okay, so again, you don't have to do anything in here. And as you can see, you have a clock, any related files in here. And then, for example, this is just, I guess, in the beginning. So at each time you onboarded a new client, you can click on this. And then as a gamification or reward system, each time you onboard a new client, you will be able to gain points. So you can edit the points right here, and then you can complete them right here. Okay, and then you can see the tasks for your client right here on this section. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the clients. And then let's discuss the discounts offered. So this is related to your store database. So each time you want to create a discount code for each of your product, you can create one just to keep track of which discount is applied to which product. Okay, so That way you don't have to, deal with too many tabs on your computer. You can just go ahead and manage them right here, and then update your online store as applicable. Okay, so as you can see, this is the, I guess, this is the code name, the coupon name, how much discount it's going to be for, the effectivity date, and this is the notification area of whether it's active or expired, or basically, ongoing, so, and then you can add the product that this discount is applicable to, and then the link, discount link, the conditions, it depends on you, so anything goes in here, and issues, I guess, if any, and then if you're offering it to whichever type of customer or buyer that you have. So yeah, pretty much self-explanatory, I guess, hopefully. And then this one, these are the product reviews or the testimonial bank, okay? So I find that I usually need to have a bank of the testimonial or the reviews that I received, just in case I need to promote it, for example, on social media, or any kind of marketing that I'm going to do. So I figure you may need this as well if you have an online store. But if you don't have one, then I guess you can use this as a client review, I guess. And then you can, this is like who the review is from, what review it is about, and then which product it's applicable to. Okay, so yeah, nothing much to it really. So and then let's go ahead and move to your calendar. Again, these are your ideas. It's not really synced to your mobile page, but you can go ahead and sync this if you so wish. And then this is your skill area. If you've already watched the avatar dashboard walkthrough, you'll be able to guess, or I guess understand what each page will be able to do when it comes to leveling up your skills, especially when it comes to your work or your business or your career, or basically like, I don't know, social media marketing, I guess. So anything that related to your skill. So just go ahead and watch your avatar dashboard walkthrough. The skills database is discussed there in detail. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss your social media calendar. So this is where your social media posts or content will be shown in a glance. You can categorize what you want to see here, like if it's declined, draft, pending approval, posted, scheduled to be revised. Okay, so again, with regards to any database, you can basically filter any kind of views or categories or properties that you need to see in a glance. So let's go ahead and open one of the content pages. So you can see, or you can use this as the title of your content, or basically like the caption. And most of these, again, pretty self-explanatory. So what platform you're going to base this on or post this on, what kind of content, and then posted where. So again, this is connected to your social media platforms. And then what kind of image is related to your post link, link to image and video, audio used, shots included. So basically this is related to your content idea or sequence planner, basically. Okay, and again, this is also gamified, so each time you post this content, it will create a quest page for you, and then you can you'll be able to assign points or rewards to that, and so when you complete that quest, you'll gain those rewards. Okay, so again, there's a customized notes section here, to-do list, images, notes, you can put it here. So anything that is related to this particular content. Okay, and then Let's go back. Let's go down. This one, this brain dump note section is the one related to your mobile page. So again, anything that you put here, it will appear on your mobile as well. And yeah, this is where you can filter or view your shot list. So any kind of content idea that you have, you can just, add it here. So let's open the content idea. There you go. As you see, you have shot type here. So there are a lot of, angles, camera angles to choose from, right? And then location, you can add more to this as you wish. Also to the shot type, and then I guess peg link. Peg link means like, a reference to the content that you wanted to create. Peg file, if it's, an image, I guess, description, anything goes here, anything that will easily describe the idea that you have. Link, and then the status of your idea. So good shot, bad shot, pending storage, used in video. And you will be able to categorize and filter which social media posts you've used this already. This will help you keep track of whether this shot has already been used or not, or this idea has already been used or not. Okay, and again, custom note section right here. So it's pretty much the same with your content calendar content page. Okay, and then this is where your content templates are. Like for example, you already have, a set template that you wanted to use that you've already tested and that, that will work or that works efficiently and spectacularly on your social media or email marketing strategy. Then you can keep those templates right here so that you won't have to, go back and forth to each particular content that you've made in the past. You can just save it right here. It's basically like a template library for you. And then let's open this page. So what kind of, or what platform, source, like for example, what kind of website, or what website you found this template from, if any, description, content sample, and template format. So this is the format where you wanted to base all your future content from. And then use when. So this is where the conditions that you're going to place upon this template, like you're going to use this kind of template, like for example, it will apply to a particular content pillar that you have. Okay, so hopefully this all makes sense. Okay, so, and then this is your project area, and I'm going to show you what you can see on your gallery view on each of your projects. So this is the name, the points that you will gain when you complete this project, the date that or basically the deadline of this project, the category of this project, and then the progress bar of like how many quests, how many tasks have been completed under this particular project. As you can see, none of it is still done. So whenever it's done, you will see a check mark right before the quest. Okay, so, and then when you hit complete, especially if the tasks here are already complete, then that's the time that you hit the complete button. Okay, so let's open one of the project pages. So again, most of these at the top, they're just indication or indicator for your projects. You can change the due date here or the deadline. You can add the quests here under this property. And then the way you gamify this project is by inputting rewards here, reward points, and then you just categorize this particular project. Again, any type of fields under no action needed, no need to change anything in there. Another Pomodoro widget in each of your project page. Note section, the time, anything that is any quests under this particular project, you can see it right here, okay? And you can edit the points of each particular quest right here as well, and then complete them when everything is settled, okay? So yeah, that's it for your project. So whenever you have not completed your projects on your deadline, it will have an overdue indicator. Otherwise, this will just be blank, you know. So yeah, let's go ahead and scroll down to our learning vault. So this is where you want to add any type of learning. So each time you want to learn a particular topic or theme or skill, and then you add a skill here or a trait or a notebook. As you can see, if you had as you can see, you can add more than one. Each time you complete this learning, it will add a skill point towards the skill, the trait, or the notebook that you've added, okay? So each time you click on learn, it will create a quest page for you so that you can assign rewards to yourself again. So, and then if you want to bookmark or save this particular topic or learning, all you have to do is click on the bookmark checkbox. Okay, and then this related topics, each time you want to view a bookmark or this particular learning, it will be saved under any of the categories that you see here. Okay, so if you check this and then you choose any of these topics, you'll be able to see this learning under these topics and under the bookmark view, okay? So again, Pomodoro, note section, and then the quest section where you can edit the rewards and complete them right here, okay? So yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thankfully it didn't take as long as I expected that it should. So hopefully this all of the instructions that I gave in this walkthrough have made sense. And I'm going to see you on our next walkthrough, which is the Study Hub space page. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much and see you again on the next walkthrough. Bye.